hear ye. The Supreme Court of Florida is now in session.
Florida's Attorney General wants the state Supreme Court to keep an abortion rights initiative off November's ballot. The divisive issue centers on whether the language in the measure is clear enough for the voters.
The language of the amendment itself is of such elasticity that an enormously wide range of meanings will attach to it, and voters will not actually understand what they're voting for.
The ballot summary of the abortion measure says in part, no law shall prohibit, penalize, delay or restrict abortion before viability or when necessary to protect the patient's health as determined by the patient's healthcare provider. Opponents of the proposed ballot question say voters would not understand the term viability when a fetus can survive outside the womb, and that the measure's approval could lead to an expansion of abortion rights.
It's a total abolition of all the functions of those three branches of government with regards to the issue of abortion. For those reasons, we respectfully request that this court not approve it for the ballot.
But proponents of the amendment say the language is clear and that the state is trying to prevent voters from deciding on reproduction rights.
The people of Florida's right to amend their constitution is fundamental to our state's democracy. Seeking to exercise that right, nearly 1 million Floridians and counting have made clear they want to vote on the amendment before this court. This amendment follows the directive given by the U.S. Supreme Court in Dobbs that the people should decide how their state may govern abortion.
The justices have until April 1st to decide. If the measure goes on the ballot, 60% would have to approve it. In the meantime, both sides of the abortion debate are also waiting for Florida's Supreme Court to rule on whether to keep a 15-week abortion ban approved by the legislature 2 years ago. If they keep it, a more stringent 6-week abortion ban approved in 2023 would go into effect, basically prohibiting care for many women before they know they're pregnant. Nitza, Soledad, Perez, CGTN, Miami.